Hey Besh, bet nyo ba ng hassle-free at chic na dish rack sa kusina? Ito na ang sagot sa lahat ng hanash, ang metallic dish cabinet rack na hindi lang pang-organize ng pinggan, pang-level up pa ng kitchen vibes. Kapag mamimili ka ng dish rack, minsan ang hirap maghanap ng tamang fit. Gusto mo ng functional at stylish, pero minsan kulang pa sa ganap. Ito na yung solution, presenting ang metallic dish cabinet rack. Effortless installation, perfect for home supplies, at perfect pang-desk setting sa kusina. Ang metal material ay hindi lang matibay at space-saving, rust-resistant, stretch-resistant, at to the core sturdy pa, game changers ang thick and at stable bearing dito, ready to handle the kitchen weightlifting. Anti-deformation at refuse to shake, walang shaken sa kitchen. Meron din itong clamshell dust door design para protected sa oil smoke at insect infestation, make your kitchen spotless and drama-free. Plus, may DH anti-rust treatment pa ito. Carbon steel plus black diamond protection layer para sure na strong and rust-proof. Easy to clean, kaya kung hanap ang bonggang dish rack, hands down sa metallic dish cabinet rack. Promise, magiging centerpiece ito sa inyong kusina at magdadala ng elegance at function sa bawat hugasan. Check out na yarn dish. Please share and follow me for more sweet sale. Salamat!